Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vidya. I'm a travel vlogger and this would be part 2 of Kodaikanal series. So today I'm planning to visit Kukal, Munavnur and Pumbarai village. I have taken a package of 2000 rupees and I'll be sharing my cab with the family who stays in this hotel. That's the reason it's 2000, else it would be 3500. So yeah, I'm starting now. And I'll be going to Kukal waterfall and not Tutur waterfall. Please don't get confused. Tutur is much bigger and distance is longer. Kukal is much smaller and I think I just have to trek for 1 kilometer, that's it. So the first place that we'll be visiting today is Pumbarai village, which is around 19 kilometers from Kodaikanal. On the way, we even stopped by Palani viewpoint, but I was not able to capture anything due to fog. Right now I'm going to Mahalakshmi temple. It's called Mahalakshmi Pidam. It would be on the way towards Pumbarai village, and after Palani viewpoint. Photography is not allowed inside, so I'll just show you the entrance. Pumbarai is a tiny village that is famous for production of garlic. Other vegetables like carrot, cabbage, potato beans are also produced here. From the top you will be able to capture aesthetic landscape of step farming or terrace farming in Pumbarai village. On the way, we stopped by Lord Murugan's temple. This temple is around 3000 years old. Our next destination is Kokal village, which is around 17 kilometers from Pumbarai. That's Kokal waterfall, and we can't take our car beyond this point, so we had to park our vehicle here and start trekking towards the waterfall. I started trekking towards Kokal waterfall, and it has started raining as well, so I'm managing with my camera and my umbrella. Kokal is an ideal place for nature lovers. This is one of the best places to explore nature, whether it's lake, waterfalls, scenic landscape or terrace farming. Munavnur is a small farming village about 35 kilometers west of Kodaikanal. You will also find sheep and rabbit farms here. Munavnur Lake is one of the most serene places that you can visit in Kodaikanal. So that's it guys, I'm ending my vlog here. If you like my content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next episode.